Hey, so is revenue on Helium 10 monthly? In this video, we're going to discover the answer in this quick tutorial. I also welcome you to get the best Helium 10 discounts and coupon codes in the description, a free trial, and also you'll find there a playlist with over 200 tutorials that show you how to use different parts of Helium 10. So is revenue on Helium 10 monthly? Yes, it is. And if you want to see it, you click on the X-Ray Chrome extension, which you also can get down in the description. Download it, install it. It's really easy. You have it all explained through the link. Then you click on X-Ray, Amazon Product Research, and you're going to have the revenue part here. Now, this is monthly revenue, okay? All this total revenue here is monthly. So it doesn't say it anywhere. That's why the question comes up. And this is monthly revenue. So this product is approximately doing 39,000 sales per month. That's equivalent to $303,000 in sales per month. So the revenue is actually monthly on Helium 10. If you want to learn more about Helium 10, check out this playlist of Helium 10 tutorials on the screen and also get the best discounts and coupon codes for Helium 10, a free trial. And I'm wishing you a great day. Yes, revenue is monthly on Helium 10. Good luck.